So, so, so we'll show you the stands ad blocker. This is a website, or you can say anything. It's a blocking pop-up tool that I will show you right now to block the ads in the YouTube from showing the ad, and it's a type of thing which will block that from watching any video. So when you just open the video, you see the ad and you get interrupted your mood or something. It's get interrupted, but you will not get it after you add into your extension, like I'll show you just now. So swap stands ad blocker. See, I'm searching. So this is the thing, stands ad blocker. So let it load. So as internet is better, like so yes, this is the thing, stands ad blocker. So so this I have already installed over here. You can see this. It's that thing. You can remove it. You can access it from anything. There is an internet problem, so I need to change. That's 1 minute. So yeah, you can see this is the thing. Yeah, open settings. Yeah, see malicious URL can block cookie notice pop-ups. I've off this because if you on this, there will be a problem in the pop-up. Like you're opening a website, it will create a problem. But so I've off this. Only the ads in YouTube will be blocked if you just on this. You can block anything. So here's the thing, you can remove it now. I'll show you in the extension, guys. So I have a Google Docs offline, Adobe, and stands at from over there. You can just go over there and you can cancel or remove it. You can do anything. Adobe, anyway, stands at Adobe. So this is the how you can just use this thing to remove or attach ads from pop-upping in the YouTube or anything you just watch or visit.